Immobiliser Fit. This is a Land Rover Defender, secured with Scorpion S5 Plus insurance approved tracker and immobiliser system that uses a Bluetooth tag. So if the tag's not here, the vehicle's simply not going to fire up. When the tag's here, it's going to start. You don't need to worry about anything. Obviously this is insurance approved, immobilises the vehicle as well as tracks it. This is just to satisfy the insurance company. The customer's also gone for a Starline Pro immobiliser to protect the vehicle. So if someone broke into the house, stole this bunch of keys with a tag, drilled the hole in the boot, programmed a key, started the vehicle up, when they go to drive off and select a gear, you'll see the car cut out and they'll be unable to drive it away, as you can see. So this system will be looking for a push sequence or your phone. So we'll just have the Bluetooth on this phone. We hear the disarm tone and we can drive away and the vehicle doesn't cut out. If the phone's gone flat one day and you obviously need to get home, there's a push sequence that the customer can set between 3 and 21 presses. They'll start the car up, go through the push sequence. For now we have 1, 2, 3. Hear the disarm tone and they can drive off. This has the push sequence and the phone to disarm the system, and also has service mode. To get one of these installed, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. This is the Land Rover Defender. Thanks for watching.